Let us talk about protein for the poor guy. Unfortunately, when you are poor, you do not have rights. We know that animal products are the best sources for protein. And the reason for this is they contain all 9 amino acids needed for muscle growth. Plant-based sources of protein do not have good amino acid profile. Our broke guy weighs about 60 kg. He is planning to maintain his weight. These are the amount of calories he needs, and these are his macro needs. Since he cannot afford any animal products, he has to go with legumes because legumes are known to be the best plant sources for protein. But not all legumes are equal. Some have better protein profile than others. Since I had this problem, I started looking for the legumes that contain the most amount of protein. I discovered 3: dolicos, mung beans, and lentils. They all contain about 25% protein and 61% carbohydrates. They are a complete meal. For our broke guy to get about 1965 calories, he would need about 400 grams of raw legumes. These 400 grams of legumes will provide about 99 grams of protein and about 253 grams of carbohydrates. Then for fats, he would need about 63 grams of oil. And that's it. He has a small disadvantage, but he can still win.